What's going on, guys? It's your boy James, the Forex Prince, back at it again with another video. Today is going to be a really awesome video, and I'm not going to keep you long, I promise. Alright, so quick disclaimer, alright, everything I show you is for informational purposes only, alright? If you choose to solely trade this live, that is you're doing only. My job is to only mentor you and guide you into profits. All right, with that being said, let's jump right into the video. I'm on my channel here. I just want you guys to let you know that I thank you and I super appreciate you, because we are at 381. Look at that, we at 381 subscribers, man. Oh man, oh man, 381. I am from my gamer page, you guys, that's all also on my page as well. But quick videos that's up there. I have a video about how signals work, and then I'm trying to get my shorts up, so make sure you check out my TikTok. All right, so let me go ahead over, and I'll meet you over. We're going inside of the Telegram group. I want to show you what it looks like, what it's been looking like, and what we're looking like now. All right, guys, look, we're still in here with this poll. We got 12 votes. I'm going to share it again to the free signals group. Boom, that's down there so they can see it. All right, so right now, currently, this is what we're looking like. We are at 1,800 pips and counting, not in total because I didn't count the Bitcoin trade that's down further, the sell. So if I go add that in, that'll be something different. So we're in this Bitcoin sell. You can go look in the comments and get the status of it. Got the sell, got the entry. This is the entry. Right now, in this current picture, it was up 450 pips, 450 plus pips. All right, and then this was it here. This is it now. Now up 800 pips. All right, so we're gonna go back. It was up 560 here. Yeah, this trade is this free signals bot is dope, man. Here's the buy. Go in the comments. Got a buy, right? Look, took off. Trade took off. Now up 550 plus pips. All right, now the trade it ended and I closed at 1100 plus pips. All right, and go come up here past this pole again, and here. They want to know the prices. You want to know the prices? Make sure you check inside the registration. It will be posted tonight. All right, so yeah, you go ahead and check these out. So let me go take you over to what I really brought you here for. All right, this is Bitcoin right now in the 1 hour, right? I have a really funky way of looking at the charts. Okay, I have two different stochastic settings down below that I'm going to give you, and I'm also going to tell you why my top chart up here looks the way it does. All right, so let's get into that now. This chart here is they're not. I do not use these together. I built these solely separately just to show you the difference in settings. If you want to use the settings, they're yours, and that's what we're about to go over. So take your time to take this information. Pause the video, slow it down, because it's some gold coming to you right now. All right, and you can use this on any pair, and I'll show you. This is the settings for the first one: 9, 5, and 7. All right, and then this is settings for the second one. All right. You got to make sure you change your K to green, D to red, upper band to red, lower band to green. Make sure you change you keep this 80 and 20, your overbought, your oversold, and leave it as is. Now this one is the famous one I use. I use this one. 31, 3, and 7. All right. This one here, same settings, but make sure you change your overbought to 92. Make sure you change your oversold to 12, and it looks like what it does down at the bottom. All right, now the reason this chart up here looks the way it is, all right, this SMA for one is a 9 SMA, and I'm using it as orange. I should change the color to red, but I'm using it as orange right now just for me that's trend. So the way this works is whenever price is the blue line. See, price is the blue line. Whenever price breaks this line, you want to go ahead and open a position and hold it. No matter how long you hold it for, you can hold it for as high as you could, your pips, take your profits, do what you can. Same thing goes for down bottom. Whenever price break under, hold. Hold. Now, this is why I want you to see the stochastic, right? Stochastic said buy right there. That was a good buy for a little moment. On both of them. Realistically, we probably should be looking at it on a better position. Let's look at it like this. Alright. So that's a nice buy trade there. Hold on, let me get that on the chart. That's a nice buy trade there. Alright, so we want to go and just see if we can catch this. It said buy, cross this line, buy here. The only one that said buy was this stochastic, mine's. And it kept going. It got a re-entry here. It said buy on this stochastic. Re-entry. So you could have got jumped in. You could have jumped in down here and flew up. Mine's was just stable. It told you to hold. It told you to hold, basically. That's pretty decent. Whenever it closed above 50 on anything, it's considered an uptrend. So this is considered an uptrend before it did its moves. So let's go ahead and go back. Alright, so right now we're considered in the sell trend. So let me go show you that this is powerful too on US 30. That's the one I see right now. And look at this. Alright, so if I wanted to do that, boom, look. US 30 is in a sell trade, right? Got up under that line here. Same thing it said. Look, I price it back. Got up under that line. I'm trying to get perfect spot. I can't get it. So what I'm gonna do is go there, and it's gonna come down here. That's the entry point. What does the stochastic say? What does the stochastic say? To say just about the same information. That's the entry point for the stochastics. Let's say you got in there. That's the high for the stochastics. That's a real nice high. This stochastic was real close to telling you that it is overbought, and this stochastic was just telling you it was in range. But just the EMA alone told you to sell, you know. So let's go ahead and go back. I want to show you this on gold. Alright, here we go. Gold. Gold crossed up. Probably was in a heavy buy trade here. Look. This stochastic says gold. Hold up. This stochastic says gold crossed here and started to go up, which it did. Went all the way to the upside, came to overbought territory before making its redirection back down. This one stayed down below. Said that gold was in a selling trend overall for me. And hold up. Gold was in a selling trend overall, and it just told you to hold and get out here. Definitely it told you get out there. Yep. So the indicator does what it does. It definitely is lagging a bit. You know, we can go back. Look, that's a nice little buy trade. We crossed up here, which was the lowest lows for the stochastics. This one was oversold. This one was near it. So you were just waiting for something to happen. Oh man, like I said, I ain't gonna hold you long. I just want to show you that this is a nice strategy too. Look, we would have entered here, right on the dime. Look at that. We had the 40 on the bottom. They both had the 40. Both jumped off the 40. Woo! So still show the same information, just slightly different. But this 9 EMA is no joke. Every time it bounced off it, you could have reopened the position. Alright. So like I said, I just want you guys to understand that, you know, actually I'll show you that these signals for the free trap is accurate. Now they will be closing. They might close, they might not close, but you know, I will still send signals. It just won't be the bot no more. You guys are missing money. Look, this is the start. I started. This was the start of the bot. See how you send it? I'm getting them. Start at the bottom. All this. Boom. Then I started calculating the pips. You see it? Not that much is up there. And you come down here and more is added. The pips start to grow. Definitely. And I guess I gotta make another one of these to add in the Bitcoin sale, which will be in there. So make sure you join. We at 125 subscribers. Definitely thank you guys. Definitely thank you guys. Show you some of the profits. Show you some negatives, because I'm real. But there's more profits where that came from. Look, this is me. I'm at ShopRite. Come on now. More of them positions. More of them positions. So, thanks guys. Have a blessed one.